Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the stop and e-stop instruction in LS PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our XE5000 software. With a simple example, I will make one latch and latch program where we will take the first input of our PLC IX0 an example, and next we will be take one close contact of our second input of our PLC IX1, and next we will take one output QX0 for an example, and this we will be make the latch and latch program, and here we will be take the open contact of the QX0 and make the branch here to complete the latch program. An example, this is QX0 we will use for our main program to the emergency. When our main program means like to be execute, QX0.0 is our emergency switch look like. After the all program will be start. And next row we will be take one open contact of the QX0 and we will use the command name stop. When you type in the search bar stop, after you can see the instruction in function list. Click it OK, and here we like to be give the main signal. This is our, for an example, main execution, and that output we will take one main relay, an example QX10. This will be our main program relay for the emergency, and here we will be take one input, an example MX10 I will be take, and this program we will be download into the PLC, and let's check. You can see what he says, key switch should be in stop mode for the operation to the complete. Please make sure the PLC mode switch and try again. I will show you one picture in our PLC port. You can see here is a one switch placed in the PLC near the programming port. If this switch will be on, our program will be never download for this command. So first we will be stop this command, and after we will be try to download. So I will stop this command now, and again I will click OK, and you can see our program is now start downloading. As our program will be complete, he say driving mode is not run, reset PLC. I will click it OK, and again I will make it the on my PLC button, and now you can see our PLC is offline, but when I make this online connect again, after you can see it is now online, and now you can make the monitor your PLC, and let's check your program. An example, I make the start my PLC main relay QX10 for example. As I give the signal at QX0, you can see our QX10 is now on, means our main program is started. But in some case, for an example, there is some problem or the mechanical reasons our program need to be immediately need to be put in stop mode, we will give the signal at mx10. As we will make it signal at the mx10, after you will be see our PLCs goes to the stop mode. Now if you like to be give the signal at ix0, for example, your program will be never stop. You can see anything will be not start because of PLC goes into stop mode. But in this stop function, how we can reset our program? So you have to be one time start your this button you have to be make it on, and after again make it once you have to be make it off and again make it on, your PLC will be reset. So I will make it once again off and make it again on, and you can see our PLCs go into the run mode. Now if you like to make this ix0, and you can see it's now make it on, and again if this happen, the signal will be comes, it will be again reset. This is the first step. And the second step is the what function. When you're using the e-stop function, when you type the in the search bar e-stop, after you can see the e-stop command in the function list, click OK, and same this program we will be run and check. Click it on right, again click it on right, you can see he is asking for the key switch put into the stop mode, and again click it OK. Now our program is completed, done, and we will put our PLC in the run mode. Now we will go to the online and connect the PLC. Now you can see our PLC is connected, and we will make the monitor. And now again I will give the signal at ix0. You can see our output is now on, program is running. But now again I give the signal at mx10. You can see our PLC is now go into the stop mode, and signal is becomes error. If you like to be save this file also you can say, otherwise you can close this one. But now if you like to make it the reset from the button, it will be not reset. I will try to reset the button from the button, but you can see this PLC is not on. Again we will be try this, not make it on. So what's happen, what should we can do? We have to be make it the stop the power of our PLC, and again we have to be start the PLC. Again I will be start the PLC power on and click it on the retry. And now you can see your program is now again started as you give the signal at ix0. After qx0 is on, and your this command is also on. But as this signal will become after your PLC goes into the stop mode, this can called be an accident. I will stop this one, and we can read the instructions also in the help. I will show you what he say. If the transition condition ix0 or ix2.0 is on, e-stop function executes if accident look like. The name of this function look like any accident. Accident function means this one ix2.0 is if on, the running program stops immediately and returns to the stop mode. In case of the emergency, it is available to use it as the double safety device with mechanical interrupt. So hope guys you will be understand about this emergency stop and stop mode command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.